Hi, this question is Harshad number. So you give an integer num and you want to divide by the sum of the digit, and it's said to be Harshad number if you're divisible, something like this. And if this is divisible, then you return the sum. Others will return -1. So for the your sum of every number is gonna be 9, and then you're gonna say is 18, divided by 9 is divisible. Yes, then you return 9. And for this one is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Is 23 divided by, is divisible by 5? No, so you return -1. So in this solution is pretty straightforward. You can do pretty like calculation based on the sum, and then later on you want to find out is your sum divisible by x, and then yes, then you return the sum, or just write no. So I'm gonna have a 10 for x, and then later on I'm gonna say okay, if x multiplied by the sum is equal to 0, which is divisible, then you return sum, otherwise you return -1. So how do we do this? It's going to be, well, the 10 doesn't equal to 0, and then you just keep adding the mod of 10, and then 10 divided by 10, temporary number, mod by 10, and then you divide by 10, and then basically just move forward. So this will be the solution. Yeah, space is constant, time, this is going to be log x, and yeah, this will be a solution. And if you don't want to use in a while loop, you can use in a for loop. So for loop, you still need a sum for this, and then you say if x multiplied by sum is equal to 0, then you return sum, else you return -1. You can turn this into the one line, but it doesn't matter. So it could be like this: 10 does not equal to 0, 10 divided by 10, and then you say sum plus equal to 10 multiplied by 10. So this also works. It's just turning into another way of looping. So time and space are all the same. Space constant times log base 10x, something like this. So that will be the solution. Alright, see you.